So hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to download and install Go language. So at first go on the official web page from Go language and download it. You can download Golang for Linux, Mac and Windows. I am using Windows, so in my case I will download it for Windows. After, you will control it in Start menu, type cmd and press enter and write Go version, as you can see. And you will look that we just installed it. After, open your Visual Studio Code and I've just prepared for you a small program which it will calculate to sum. If you run this code, you can look that a plus b is, in my case, variable a is 50,000, variable b 5,000. It means both together 55,000. As you can see, the program is correct. So it was purpose of this video to show you how to download and how to run code in Visual Studio Code. So I wouldn't forget, you need one extension, and this is extension Go. So please install this extension and look to it will be Go team at Google. And the second, you need to install Code Runner and to it will work. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye, everyone.